Hey guys, this is Twinkle Chadwa. I am a proud Marketing Accelerator Academy student. So let me tell you something about my backstory. I was a commerce graduate from one of the best institute in Mumbai, and so I was working as an HR executive in Axis Bank. But then because I got married, I had to start something from my home, which I could do with all my household activities. So I started with my small business, but then I conceived a baby, so I could not continue with that business because it took a lot of time of my life because I had to take care of my baby too. But then on one fine day, I came across Ruta's ad about this course, and I saw the webinar. The webinar was life changing for me because when I saw the webinar, it was like I think that this course is designed just for me. The if Because I know that I have some skills which I can implement after learning things, and I can start my own business by learning this course. So I jumped into the course, and then because the COVID hit at that time and back in 2020, I could not implement everything at the start. But then I started implementing the things in the month of May, in which mindset module of the course helped me a lot because the this module in the course is designed in such a way that you have to hustle for your goals, you have to set your goals, and you have to work hard to achieve those goals. And everything is described in the course itself, that how to achieve your goals, how to plan your daily goals, monthly goals, and everything. So the course starts with the mindset module, which is one of the best modules in the course, and then they teach you the high paying skills one by one. This course starts with the Facebook ads module, then there's Instagram management, and there's one of my best skills, which is sales funnels. So after learning all these three skills, I started getting clients. I got my first client in the month of June, and then let me tell you this also, I take a lot of breaks while I'm working. I have taken around 3 breaks in last 1 year of my entrepreneur journey, because continuously working for me is not possible, because I have to take care of my toddler, and I want some free time for myself also. So this course allows you to take out your free time, your luxury time with your family and everything. And even after taking so many breaks, I have earned around $8,000 in revenue within this 1 year, because the skills which Ruta teaches you in the course are the high paying skills which you can provide to the clients all over the world, which can pay you a good amount for your skills. And one of those skills is sales funnels, and I have earned a good amount by learning the skills and implementing the things. And the best thing about the course is they also teach you how to get clients step by step, how to nurture them, how to send invoices, how to manage your clients, how to manage the contracts, everything from A to Z, about learning the skills, implementing the skills, and then getting clients, and managing those clients and everything. And one more thing is the Facebook community, which we are part of. I must tell that I have made so many friends after joining this course with the same community, because we can understand each other's problems, we solve others' problems, and we share our wins and everything. So it is a highly engaging community which we are part of it, and Muta's team also helps us a lot while we are in some doubts or anything. So if you are on the fence of joining this academy, I would say go for it. Do not think more, because if I can do it by working only 2 to 3 hours a day, you can do it too. I would highly recommend this course to anyone who is looking for a high side hustle, or even you are looking for a business from home and you want to make 5 or 6 figures a month. You can easily do it. All the best for your future.